Right, today we're talking about directions hair dyes. Now you can see all the directions hair dyes here. You can see the colors all written down there. Flame plum, dark tulip, ebony, midnight blue, neon, turquoise, Atlantic blue. You have silver, you have white toner, you have lavender, you have apricot, you have spring green, you have alpine green, you have tangerine, and you have ruby and yellow. That is called bright daffodil. And that's it for all in about 40 different colors and shades here for you to enjoy and collect. Well, for a rainbow hairstyle you want to achieve today.